Okay, look, we gotta go to Ice Cream Way first. Okay, we gotta go through Ice Cream Way, and then we gotta stop at the stop sign. Okay, we gotta stop here. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we gotta go out this way. Keep right, watch for the bumps. Okay, let's go through here. We'll get to the table. Okay, now here's your pup cup. Here you go, buddy. Look, look. There you go. Yeah. Oh, boys. He's loving that. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, boys. And it's got peanut butter in it, too. Oh, yummy. He's eating the milk bones first. We're in a place called Blackville now. A little further down the Miramichi. Are you all done with this? Are you not going to eat that? You don't like the peanut butter or what? I thought you liked the peanut butter, buddy. Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah. You're not going to eat that? Okay, well, I guess he's going to lay there. I'll move it over some, see if he likes it. Well, I don't know. See, over here, you can drive your four-wheelers on the main road. Pretty cool, eh? We have our back roads that everybody goes on with their handy four-wheelers. Okay, so Blackville, and on to the next stop. Gonna see if he's gonna eat that.